Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're very much welcome. So today I'm going to teach you guys two things. Today I'm going to teach you guys two tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to groom your brows and also how to draw your brows using a brow pomade. So today is going to be a talk through video like my previous brow tutorial I did with a brow pencil. Okay, so guys, let's get started. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification beside it so let's get notified whenever I post new videos. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and also share your friends. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next clip. So you can see my brows. You can see I don't have that much hair down here and stuff. My brows are not actually the same shape and size. Please don't mind my face. I don't know what happened and all this just came out. Whatever. So I quickly went to get my brow pencil to show you the dimensions of how your brows should be. Yeah, I told you it has like some kind of measurements and stuff. So I'll be using let me use this small light to show you the dimension. Like I said, where your nose starts from, that is right here. If you can see that, you really need your wipe to wipe out everything. And this your nose here, see, don't bend it too much, just like slant and stuff. And also the end of this. Yeah, I think I need my mirror. Yeah, if you can see that, you can see those dimensions. This is where your brow should start from, this is where your arc should be, and this is where the slopeness should end. So I've gotten my blade. Like I said, I don't really have that much hair, so I'm just going to cut out the growth underneath. Yeah, and you need your spoolie. It's very essential when it comes to grooming your brows. You need to like brush it in place. To carve the upper part of your brows, you need to brush your brows down. Once you brush it down, you'll like be able to see the hair and stuff. So you just start by, if you can see, making sure the line is straight up to this line. Oh my god, it came off. Yeah, up to this line, make it straight. Make your blade straight. I don't want to cut my hair lower than this. I don't like thin brows, so just make it straight like that. If you feel that it's straight enough, then moving to the slopeness. This is where the arc starts. Then the slopeness of the arc down to the mark. Oh my god, it's coming off. Yeah, you just have to draw it back. You also make that okay. I think that is done. Like I said, I don't want to I don't want to cut it too much. See, when you brush it up, it's already like straight like that. Then the most tricky part of drawing your eyebrow is the underneath. But let me quickly do this side. Okay, I've done that other part. And for the downside, like I said, I don't really think I can really explain it better because I don't have much hair. But what I usually do when I'm cutting the under part of my brows, from the arc, like from that line, yeah, you can, oh, that is not the line, that is not the line, I think this is the line. Yeah, from here you move like this, then you go down like as if we are trying to like form an half circle or something like that. Like this, go like this, then down like this, then down just where the arc is, and a little bit further from the arc right here. That's where you draw your like half circle or something. Like this, like this. Then you need to like have your spoolie very close to you. and make sure you raise your brows to like stretch that area. Okay, see, that is already if you can see the arc of my brows like that. And for this side, follow the same process. Then don't forget this side of your brow because there's usually hair there. Down to the margins. Yeah, now you have to brush it please, like that. See, there's really no much difference in my brows right now. The only difference is like I think this is kind of like longer than the other, but I like it like that. I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm just going to leave it like that. So onto my skin baby wipe. I would have advised you to use like something that has a little bit of menthol to like, it's gonna hurt, it's going to be really peppery, but it kind of like, I don't know the importance of it, but whatever, it just does what it does. Okay, now I'm going to clean our brows to clean away the mark that I created. But once you follow that dimension I gave you guys, it will be really very easy to get where the arc is supposed to be, where the slope is supposed to be, where it's supposed to start from, where it's supposed to end. Yeah, that's pretty much it right now. Okay, if you can see, that is nice and shaped. Oh my god, I actually really just love this. This is like the best grooming I've ever done to my brows. Kind of looks the same, but it's not the same, but it looks the same. Whatever. Okay, so that is it for the brow grooming. After grooming your brows, see, it's really very easy once you just follow the dimension I gave you guys. Really very easy. Now let's make that. Okay, since our brows is nice and groomed, to draw my brows with a brow pomade, I usually set my brows with my benign luxury powder because I get really oily. To keep my brows in place all through the day, I set my brows with my luxury benign powder, and also this angled brush to apply it. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of that in there, just a little bit, and just apply it all over my brows. I usually like applying much of it because I'm really very oily. See, I'm starting to get oily all over this place. Yeah, woman. Try to like press it down. Okay. Okay, so off to outlining our brows. I'm going to be using my flat brush. Okay. And also my Karite favorite brow pomade in brown ink. It's a pack actually, and it's brought in. It came with two brow pomade, a black and a brown, but I don't usually use the black, so I'm just going to go with the brown forever. Yeah, so what I do is set my brows first. That is my number one trick and my number one tip. Always set your brow to keep your brow in place all day. So number two, yeah, it's brown. You can see I've already used a lot of it. So we're going to take a little bit of product like that, and take the cap off, or any flat thing actually, but I use the cap of the Karite brow pomade to press it down like this to make our brush really flat, because you need your angled brush way flat for you to achieve a really nice outline. Keep it really flat like that. Yeah, see, your brush is nice and flat, if you can see that. Yeah, so we start by outlining the under part of our brows. You always need to follow the natural shape of your brows, because you just have to follow the natural shape of your brows. You don't need to draw over. If you draw over when you're concealing, it's going to be really difficult. Yeah, that's why I always advise you to groom your brows properly, groom your brows really good. That's why I did that brow grooming in the first place, because that is like your foundation of a brow. Groom it very well and also shape your brows. So following the natural arc of our brows, start by drawing light strokes, thin lines first. Take a bit of product, press, 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 and draw it. So once you fill in your brows, you do the same thing. Take a little bit of product, press, press, press. So keep your brush nice and flat. You need to press that. So you fill in your brows, drawing light strokes like that. If you notice, I left gaps. Yeah, I left that gap because we need a lot natural looking brows. So I'm going to just like blend the product onto the front side. Okay, so we're about to do that in a bit. I'm just looking for my spray. Okay, yeah. Use your spoolie to blend the product inwards using a back and forth motion, and up and down, back and forth, up and down, back and forth, up and down, like this. Okay, Jesus, like I said, I look really crazy right now, but it's okay. We're gonna fix that right now. And on to concealing your brows. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. Yeah, in Warm Honey. That is like my shade of concealer. When I mean my shade of concealer, I mean this is like the concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my natural color. And I'm going to squash some somewhere in a flat surface. When I'm concealing the lower part of my brows, I really need my brush flat. And I'm kind of like looking for it right now. Okay. So you're just going to take a little bit of the product, like right there. Product, and just a little bit to press my brush really flat. And dragging it up like this. I think doing that method keeps your brush really flat. Yeah. So following the natural outline, following the outline of your brows, you conceal your brows just using little products, light strokes. raise your brows to get that area, to stretch that area really well. See, look at that. You see it, look. Okay. So for concealing the upper part of my brows, I use my shade of foundation to make it easier for me to blend to my foundation when I'm applying my foundation. You guys know how I mix my Ever Beauty and also my NYX in bronze. Yeah, so we're just gonna mix that. Okay, so like that. I really don't like this sort of like pointy arc like that. I like my arc really soft, so that is why it's looking like that. Oh my god, I look crazy. Okay, that is nice and concealed. So now it's time to blend. So for the final step, so my hair keeps standing, okay, so we're gonna be using my Kylie glitter glue and rub that on it, just a little amount of Then take your spoolie and brush the product down. Okay, then you can use a beauty blender to like blend. Okay guys, look at those brows, they are on fleek. Oh my god. And one thing before we go, don't expect your brows to look like twins, okay? Just make them look like sisters. Just make them look identical, not actually exactly identical. That is not necessary because your brows are not the same, so you keep them like sisters, okay? So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Don't forget to hit the bell icon beside it to always get notified whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because I know this brother are all fleek. Okay, also don't forget to comment. I would love to see you guys comment on this clip. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. Watch this video over and over again so you can actually get how to achieve a flawless looking brows for your makeup. And if you don't have a brow pomade, you can go ahead and check on my page. You'll see my brow tutorial using a brow pencil. So I decided to just do this because I know I decided to do it. And also for the dimensions of my brows, yeah. How do I look? Okay, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, give the video a big thumbs up, comment, and also share to your friends. I love you guys so much. Bye.